Welcome, my friends, to a journey that I believe holds the key to unlocking profound peace and clarity within each of us. Today we embark on a path of mindfulness, a voyage not to a distant land, but deep into the landscape of your own inner world. It's a journey of self-discovery, of learning to quiet the noise and truly connect with the present moment. So often we find ourselves caught in the whirlwind of daily life, our minds racing, our spirits yearning for a moment of calm. This is your invitation to find that stillness, to cultivate that inner sanctuary. It all begins with a single intentional step, and I am so honored you've chosen to take it here with us. In this video, we're going to explore together 11 beautiful, accessible, and truly beginner-friendly meditation techniques. Think of this as your personal toolkit for well-being, a collection of practices designed to help you navigate the complexities of modern existence with greater ease and presence. Each technique offers a unique doorway into the state of mindfulness, a different pathway to that quiet center within. We'll explore how to use your breath as an anchor, how to connect deeply with your physical body, and how to use the power of your mind to cultivate peace. My hope is that by the end of our time together, you'll feel empowered and equipped to start or perhaps deepen your own meditation practice, finding what truly resonates with you. And please, let me reassure you from the outset, absolutely no prior experience is required to begin this transformative journey. If you've ever thought meditation was too complicated, too esoteric, or simply not for you, I invite you to gently set those notions aside. These techniques are designed for everyone, regardless of your background or previous encounters with mindfulness. This is a space of gentle exploration, a supportive environment where the only prerequisite is a willingness to be open, to be curious, and to be kind to yourself as you learn. We are all beginners at some point, and the beauty lies in the courage to start, to simply show up for yourself in this meaningful way. Before we dive into these wonderful practices, I want to extend a warm invitation to subscribe to HealthProLife. By joining our community, you'll gain access to a wealth of content dedicated to supporting your holistic well-being, mind, body, and spirit. Think of it as having a dedicated partner on your journey to a healthier, more mindful, and more purposeful life. We are committed to bring you insights, guidance, and inspiration to help you thrive. So click that subscribe button, become part of our growing family, and let's continue to learn and grow together, fostering a life filled with greater peace, presence, and vitality. Now let's begin. Meditation begins with your breath, your ever-present anchor. Breathing meditation is simple, accessible, and instantly calming. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and bring gentle awareness to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm, the rise and fall. When your mind wanders, kindly return to your breath. Each return strengthens mindfulness, creating calm and clarity. This simple act can transform your inner state, grounding you in the present moment. Next, we explore a deeply grounding practice, body scan meditation. This technique invites you to journey through your body, noticing sensations in each part, from your toes to the crown of your head. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths. Gently scan your body, observing any sensations, tension, or ease without judgment. This mindful attention can bring deep relaxation, grounding you in the present moment. Welcome back. In this chapter, we explore a truly magical technique, guided visualization. This isn't just about daydreaming. It's a conscious, intentional practice of using your mind's incredible creative power to cultivate peace, achieve goals, and even heal. Think of your mind as an artist's canvas and your imagination as the brush. With guided visualization, you learn to paint vivid, detailed mental images that can profoundly impact your emotional state and your perception of what's possible. It's about tapping into that innate human ability to dream with purpose, to construct inner worlds that can then inspire and shape our outer reality. This practice empowers you to become the architect of your inner sanctuary. So, how do we begin this journey into our inner landscapes? First, find a quiet, comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. Allow yourself to settle, maybe taking a few gentle, deep breaths to signal to your body and mind that it's time to relax. Close your eyes and begin to construct a scene. It could be a place you've been to that brings you immense joy. A sun-drenched beach with turquoise waters, a tranquil forest filled with the scent of pine, or a majestic mountaintop offering panoramic views. The key is to engage all your senses. What do you see in vivid detail? What sounds do you hear? Are there any particular smells? What does the air feel like on your skin? The more detailed and sensory rich your visualization, the more immersive and effective it becomes. Beyond creating peaceful scenes for relaxation, guided visualization is an incredibly potent tool for goal achievement. Imagine yourself successfully navigating a challenge, achieving a long-held aspiration, or embodying the qualities you wish to cultivate: confidence, compassion, resilience. See yourself performing at your best, feeling the emotions associated with that success. This isn't mere wishful thinking, it's a way of mentally rehearsing. Neuroscientists have found that the brain often doesn't distinguish between a vividly imagined experience and an actual one. By repeatedly visualizing your desired outcome, you're essentially priming your mind and body for success, building new neural pathways and reinforcing positive beliefs about your capabilities. The benefits of regularly practicing guided visualization extend far beyond simply feeling good in the moment or rehearsing success. It's a powerful method for stress reduction, as it allows you to mentally step away from worries and immerse yourself in a calming environment. It enhances emotional regulation by giving you a tool to shift your state. Furthermore, it builds inner resilience by allowing you to create a mental safe space, a sanctuary you can retreat to whenever you feel overwhelmed. This practice is a profound act of self-care, an exploration of your deepest desires, and a way to connect with the limitless potential that resides within your own mind. Mantra meditation is an ancient practice using sacred sound to focus the mind and find inner peace. Choose a mantra like Om, Soham, or a word such as peace or calm that resonates with you. Repeat it silently or aloud, letting it anchor your awareness and gently draw you back when your mind wanders. With practice, mantra meditation brings focus, calm, and a deeper connection to your inner self. Mindfulness is the art of paying attention on purpose in the present moment and without judgment. It's about waking up from autopilot and truly experiencing life as it unfolds. By anchoring our attention to the breath, we observe thoughts and feelings as they come and go, gently returning to the present. This simple practice cultivates awareness, acceptance, and gratitude, leading to greater peace and a deeper connection with ourselves and the world. Welcome back, my friends. Today we explore walking meditation, a practice that brings mindfulness into every step. Instead of sitting still, we find presence in movement, letting each footfall anchor us in the moment. Walk slowly, feel your breath, and notice the sensations beneath your feet. If your mind wanders, gently return to the rhythm of your steps. Embrace peace in every stride. Loving kindness meditation, or metta, opens our hearts and nurtures compassion. We begin by offering kind wishes to ourselves. May I be happy, healthy, safe, and live with ease. Then we extend these wishes to loved ones, neutral people, and even those we find difficult. This practice helps dissolve barriers, fostering empathy and connection. With gentle, consistent effort, loving kindness blossoms within us, rippling outwards to create a more compassionate world. Progressive muscle relaxation, or PMR, is a simple way to release tension and invite calm. Many of us hold stress in our muscles, clenched jaws, tight shoulders, without noticing. PMR guides you to gently tense, then relax each muscle group, helping you feel the difference between tension and relaxation. As you practice, you'll become more aware of stress in your body and learn to let it go, bringing both physical ease and mental calm. Welcome back, my friends. In this chapter, we explore sound meditation, using hearing to guide us into deep relaxation and presence. Sound, when approached with intention, becomes a gentle anchor, carrying us into the serene waters of the present moment. Whether it's music, nature, or everyday sounds, each can be a conduit for inner peace. Simply open your awareness, let sounds come to you, and rest your attention on the auditory landscape. Sound meditation soothes the mind, reduces stress, and creates a profound sense of calm. Welcome back, my friends. Zazen or Zen meditation is the art of simply sitting, being fully present without striving for a particular outcome. The posture is upright but relaxed, hands resting in your lap, eyes softly open. Attention turns to the breath, simply observing its natural rhythm. Thoughts will come and go, notice them, then gently return to your breath. With practice, Zazen becomes a sanctuary of stillness, clarity, and inner strength for daily life. Chakra meditation connects us to the subtle energy centers within our bodies, known as chakras, spinning wheels of energy along the spine. There are 7 main chakras, each linked to different aspects of our physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. Through focused awareness and visualization, we bring balance and healing to these centers, allowing energy to flow freely. Regular practice can enhance vitality, emotional balance, and self-awareness, helping you live a more vibrant, harmonious life. And so we've explored a beautiful tapestry of 11 distinct meditation techniques, each a unique doorway into the sanctuary of your inner world. From the simple act of focusing on your breath to the vibrant journey through your energy centers, we've seen that the paths to mindfulness are wonderfully diverse. My deepest hope is that this exploration has sparked your curiosity and empowered you to begin, or perhaps deepen, your own meditation practice. Remember, this isn't about mastering every technique, but about finding the one, or perhaps a few, that resonate most profoundly with you, the ones that feel like coming home. Your journey into mindfulness is deeply personal. a unique unfolding of your own awareness. I encourage you with all my heart to experiment. Try different techniques. Be playful in your exploration. Perhaps the stillness of Zazen calls to you, or maybe the compassionate embrace of loving kindness meditation feels most nourishing right now. What matters most is not the specific method, but the sincerity of your intention and the consistency of your practice. Start small. Even 5 minutes a day can create a ripple effect of calm and clarity in your life. Don't aim for perfection, for there's no such thing in meditation. Simply aim to show up for yourself, to create that sacred space for connection and reflection. The true gift of meditation unfolds gently over time, with each moment of presence you offer yourself. If you're seeking more guidance on your path into natural wellness, mindfulness and holistic living, I warmly invite you to subscribe to HealthProLife. We are dedicated to sharing valuable insights, practical tips, and a supportive community to help you cultivate a life of greater well-being, purpose, and joy. By subscribing, you'll join a growing family of individuals committed to their personal growth and to making a positive impact on the world, one mindful moment at a time. We believe that by nurturing our inner landscape, we can create a more peaceful and compassionate outer world. We are here to support you every step of the way on this incredible journey of self-discovery and transformation. Thank you truly for investing your precious time with us today, for opening your mind and heart to these ancient and powerful practices. It takes courage to look within, to commit to your own well-being, and I honor you for taking that step. May your exploration of meditation bring you profound peace, unwavering presence, and a deeper connection to the incredible wisdom that already resides within you. As you move forward from this moment, I wish you a day filled with mindfulness, a heart filled with compassion, and a life lived with purpose. Thank you for watching, and may you walk in peace.